Good morning, good morning. Wait. Going to our sweet little honey hole. Stay tuned. Opening day, baby.
I thought I just heard one down here.
Zach. I heard it over that way.
You heard one over there?
And I feel like I keep hearing one over here.
Let's work our way up this way a little bit. I'll hoot that way. That was one.
I didn't hear it.
Alright. I want you to stay here and listen here in case one is not fired off yet.
Okay.
I'm gonna work down here to where the road almost goes down over. I'm gonna out down there. Call me if you hear one close here.
Okay.
Okay. I'll be right back. Straight out in front of us. In this case, working our way down right now. There's a few birds gobbling down here. Good stuff. Just keep moving. He's across the carpet. I hope he bitches over here. Oh my. I think so. That tree. Yeah. Sit right here. Sit right here. Sit back right up against the tree. Is that one behind us?
I think so. That's what I told you I was here. One back there, one over here.
Go out the moon if he comes in. Feel pretty good, babe. Feel good.
Do you turn the scope on?
What?
How do you turn the scope on?
Oh yeah. One click. Just one click on that big knob.
This one?
Yeah, one. No, big knob. Yeah.
Like you push down on
No, turn until it turns to green.
Which way?
Did the green come right on?
It's red.
All right, go back the other way until it goes green. He's gonna go quick.
It's green.
You're good?
Yeah.
Turn if you can. He's on this side of the river.
He's over here.
Okay. Yeah, come.
Can you see him?
What?
Can you see him?
Not yet. He needs to be right here in these trees for you to shoot him.
Yeah, I know.
Do you see him?
No.
He's close though. He's 80 yards.
Oh, there he is.
Don't move.
I know. Sorry.
You got this, baby, okay? Just hold it on. He's out there on the right.
Can you see him?
Huh?
Can you see him?
Here he is.
Where?
He's going right. But as soon as he sees that decoy, he'll come right in, I'm sure. I see him up there.
What? Can you see him? Zach? Zach?
Can you see him?
No. Can you?
I just did see him. Now I don't see him. Do you see him?
No.
Alright, I'm gonna call. Still can't see him. Alright, this bird just worked away from us. He was at 80 yards, maybe closer. Would not commit. I don't think he liked the strutter decoy. I crawled out. I let him get away from us. Crawled out, grabbed the hand decoy. Now we're making a move on him, trying to loop up or get out in front of him. And we're making another set on him, so stay tuned. He needs his head up. Baby, we just did it. Holy crap. It was a jig. It was a jig.
Oh. I couldn't move for the longest time.
So, are you freaking kidding me?
He moved past that tree and I quickly turned. Probably just got a bunch of snot.
Yes, okay. Baby. Hey, see how far that is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What, 11, 12 steps?
12.
Huh?
12 steps.
12 steps. Baby, come on. Give me some.
His head was so blue. He's pretty.
Yes, he is.
I saw him come up here. You said, "Don't move," and he was just all I saw was the fan in my peripheral, and I couldn't move for the longest time. I couldn't even see him till he got about up here.
Oh my god!
And once he did, I saw that my only opportunity to move was the moment he turned behind this.
Yeah.
And that was when I was able to get on him.
Oh my word! Get a hold of him. Oh, you put the hurting on him, girl.
Ugh.
Oh, you put the hurting on him. Just pick him up by his legs, lift him up. Yeah, come on. That put a smile on your face, Miss Kay?
Yes.
You've worked hard for this. It's been a few years coming.
Ugh. Ew. Nasty.
Oh, yeah.
There he is.
Good old little Stevens 301 410, baby. First year with it.
Mm-hmm. They look huge when they're in full strut.
Yes, they do. I'm sitting there and I was like, I knew he was going right, but I didn't know how hard right he was going to go. And all of a sudden I saw this head pop up and I don't know if it was the Jake or him.
I saw him in full strut. The moment you said that, I saw him.
Oh, you did see him. So,
yes.
okay, well then that must have been him. But when I said, there, don't move, it blew across my call and I was like,
heard it.
Gosh, no. And then I heard him spit and I was like, okay, we're good, because obviously he stayed in his strut. So I was like, oh my
He was
gosh.
coming right at her. When he turns, they're coming this way. I thought he was going to keep going this way.
Yeah, I knew he'd come. When he was in strut, I knew he was going to come. Our little decoy, our little Henrietta is right there.
Henrietta.
I killed my bird here last year doing the same exact thing, just down the road 100 yards. I mean, same exact thing.
My breathing, I was like, and then I was trying to not cough because I started having that coughing fit. You're like, he's coming. And of course, at all times I start coughing.
That's why I called. That last time I called, I only called because I heard you go, like you had to cough, and I was just like, yelp, yelp, yelp. And I heard you cough, and he was like, pow. And I was like, yes.
That's what I tried to do. I tried to cough when you were calling.
Well, we were on the same page because I'm sitting there trying to cover your coughing.
That's hilarious.
Yes.
What time is it?
It's a little after 8, maybe 8:11. So you probably shot him at 8:06 or something.
Yeah.
8:07.
I saw the other one run away, and I was like, "What?" I didn't know that it was a Jake.
Yeah. Well, I was nervous because he was getting to my right, and I was hoping that he wasn't going to pick us off because he was getting to our side.
Yeah, I was hoping he wasn't gonna come and circle us like that one did 2 years ago.
Yep.
Because I was like, I'm not turning with this gun. That's not happening.
Well, I know, and that's why I was just like, what did I tell you? Just as soon as you can shoot him.
I didn't hear you.
Okay. Yeah.
I just.
So this is where you were already pointed in this direction then?
Well, because I was pointed through here, through these two trees. I was pointed through here, so the moment he came past this tree,
Gotcha.
is I turned really quick to be able to look down my scope and at least get him through this. And that's,
Right.
I got him directly.
So as soon as he went behind the tree, you turned.
Yes, yeah, this tree.
Nice. Go sit that tree. Let's see where you were. Go sit down. Let's see. Oh my word! I just can't believe how close this is. Oh yeah. Miss Kay, there she is, the killer, sitting there in her hide. When I saw that branch and I heard him gobble down here, I thought, well, if we get up in that branch, I knew I could tuck in behind it and you sit up on front, which it worked out perfect because we had that to our back. And then this right here behind you, this dead stuff, worked out great. I mean, that blocked both of us out good.
It's about dang time.
Man, you made a mess of him, babe. You ripped them neck feathers right out of it. As Josh and I say, tickle the snood.
Yeah, I should send him a
Yes, you should.
GoPro.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna send it to him on Snap. This is for you, Josh. Tickling the snood.
I didn't think we were gonna get him. I thought he was buggered, for sure.
Well, I thought with my hacking, I was like, oh yeah, he's gone.
So when we made the move on this bird, the first setup that we made on him, when we were getting into the spot, about 30 yards from where we set up, I made a couple loud steps, and I was like, oh no, like that might have been too loud. So I was worried. We set up, and he had gobbled at what, crows? And he gobbled at my owl hoot, right? On the way to that second setup, trying to get out in front of him. So when we sat down, I got on the pot called, nothing. And I was like, oh no. I tried 2 different strikers, nothing. I tried a different mouth call from what I had used down here on this other setup, and nothing. And I was like, oh my goodness. So I threw in the call that he had been firing at first thing this morning, and I hit that, nothing, and I was like, we definitely buggered this bird, like it's over. And part of me was thinking that he's probably down there flogging, because I left the strutter set up.
That crossed my mind when we were over there. I was like, watch, he's probably back there with that strutter.
Well, at one point where
he
he gobbled, I was like, it sounds like he's going back to the strutter. I'm like, great, he's gonna go over there, beat the snot out of that strutter, and we're sitting here, that strutting decoy. All right, so I'm on the way down here real quick. We just hopped in the truck. I'm running down here to where we had our first setup this morning to grab this decoy, the strutter decoy that we left out here because we were in such a hurry. I didn't want to take time, and I could see from up there that bird did in fact come down here. This bird came down here and beat the tar out of my decoy. I mean, just beat the snot out of it. I mean, he has the stake bent. He's got the wing off of it. The tail fan off of it. I told her, I said, I hope that bird doesn't go back to where we just was. And I heard him gobble down here, and I thought, I think he might be down there. And the reason he wasn't gobbling was he was down here whooping up on my decoy. And then as soon as he got done showing him who was boss, I hit that call, and he said, here I come, baby. Unbelievable. That is just wild. I don't know, man. Turkeys are just crazy. We got them dead, though. But anyways, I told her, I was like, it's over, and let's just work our way up here to this edge of the road real quick, and we'll have to go get the decoy and whatnot. But I was like, it's probably over. I decided to cut one more time. I cut really aggressively and then followed up with a yelp, and he hammered back. And I was like, all right, we're in business. We set up again. I called again, and at that point he had what? He had already closed distance, didn't he? And I was like, we knew he was coming.
Yeah, because you were like, he's coming, and that's when I started coughing, and I was like, oh God.
No, can we stop coughing?
I watched him fly down when he first.
You watched him?
Yes,
No
that's why I
way.
said there he is. He literally glided right into the field.
No way.
So I watched him from the moment he.
I didn't know that. I didn't know you saw him. I thought when you said I see him, I thought he pitched across the creek. But
Yeah, he flew down
wow, I didn't realize that. That's awesome. When we crested over this knob up top, and I heard multiple birds gobbling on this rim, I was like, that's perfect. That's exactly what we need them to be, or where we need them to be. So.
It's about time.
Yeah, it's been what, 3 years in a row
years.
of close encounters. I mean, close encounters. But this year,
We'll say that those other 2 years I did not give it my all, but
third time's the charm, right?
I suppose.
Legitimately, third time's the charm.
I like that gun.
Yeah, that little Stevens is nice. Perfect.
Oh, my hair.
You gonna go to sleep tonight?
Yeah. I want Bojangles.
That's right, victory biscuit, right? Yes.
No depression today.
No depression biscuits. It's a victory biscuit today. Oh, that is amazing.
His head was so blue coming in.
Yeah. Yeah, it really was. Well, just the whole time coming in, just.
I aimed
love that.
right at the neck or the feathers.
Perfect.
Right there. That's where I.
Yep, right there at that line. You nailed them. You nailed them good. Stone cold dead. This K is a killer. Turkey slayer.
Yeah, okay. I got one turkey.
Well, today you're a turkey slayer.
I don't think that counts.
He was not expecting a 410 number 9
expecting
tungsten.
to get love.
Yeah, he was expecting to get some
Poor
action.
guy. It's kind of sad.
Yeah, I definitely wouldn't like if you said, "Hey, Zach, come here into the bedroom," and all of a sudden I got whacked in there.
You cannot put that in there.
You never know.
Oh my god. Zachary.
Yes, let's go. That's the way to start 2025 spring gobbler. But. Awesome. Thank you, Lord. Heck of a hunt. Love you, baby.
Love you too.
Oh, this is so unbelievable, man. Oh, I'm so pumped.
Claws sharp. Get in there, you heifer.